students. Today topic class 8 geography unit 2 weather and climate. Topic is weather and climate. Okay, today class rainfall. What is rainfall? Rain is a liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then become heavy enough to fall under gravity. Okay, this is a rainfall. Simply saying, rain is a liquid water in the form of droplets. That's all. Okay. Rain is the major component of the water cycle. The water formed from the seas, ocean, and all the water bodies will get by evaporated and form of a water vapor and it's cool down clouds. So it is a water cycle. Already we studied the lower classes. Okay, water cycle, form a water cycle. Right? Next one. Rain is the source of water for all purposes. Rainfall is high in the equatorial region and decreases gradually towards poles. Right? Some in equatorial regions, right, get more rainfall. Rainfall is measured using rain gauge. Rainfall is measured using rain gauge. Okay? Air pressure. Next topic, air pressure. What is air pressure? The weight of air above is a given area and the Earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure of air pressure. The weight of air. Okay, the standard air pressure is sea level is 1013.25 MP. MP means millibar. At the Earth's surface, the pressure is 1.03 kilogram per square centimeter. Okay, at the Earth's surface, the pressure is 1.03 kilogram per square centimeter. Okay, what is air pressure? Weight of air. Okay, see the picture. Air pressure, based on the pressure, it is categorized low pressure and high pressure. Okay, see the picture. Low pressure area is marked L. High pressure area is marked H. Okay, generally air moves from high pressure to low pressure area. Low pressure systems called a cyclone. Low pressure systems called a cyclone. High pressure system is called a anticyclone. Right? Low pressure cyclone, high pressure area, okay, anticyclone. Then cyclone, the conditions of the weather in a low pressure, very warm, moist air, cloudy weather. Right? Anticyclone, high pressure, dense, descending, cool, dry air, clear weather. Anticyclone. Okay. Next, isobar is used to show the distributions of air pressure. The distributions of air pressure is called a isobar. Okay. The distributions of atmospheric pressure is controlled by altitude, rotations of Earth, water vapor, air circulation, atmospheric storms, and etc. Okay. These are distributions of atmospheric pressure control factors. Measuring air pressure, meteorologists used barometer, aneroid meter to measure the air pressure. What is the barometer? Aneroid barometer. Okay. Then, highest air pressure at a sea level ever recorded in Agda on 31st December 1968. The pressure is 1083.8 millibar. Okay. The highest air pressure. Lowest air pressure ever recorded, what is the typhoon taper? Came in Pacific Ocean on 12th October 1979. Okay. Right. The lowest air pressure and the highest air pressure recorded in the area. Then You know, why do you our air pop when we are in an aeroplane? Okay, as you go up in an airplane, the atmospheric pressure becomes lower than the pressure of the air inside your ears, right? The atmospheric pressure becomes lower than the pressure of the air inside your ears, right? At the same time, that happens when the plane is on the way down and your ears have to adjust to a higher atmospheric pressure. Okay, yes, so you have adjusted to higher atmospheric pressure. So we get the pop sound in the ear. Your ear pop because they are trying to equalize or match the pressure. Okay, so next topic, humidity. What is humidity? Humidity refers to the degree of water vapor present in the atmosphere. The gaseous form at particular time and places. It ranges from 0.5% by volume in the atmosphere. Simply saying, water vapor in the air called the humidity. The humidity is expressed in different ways. First one, specific humidity. Second one, absolute humidity. Third one, relative humidity. Okay. First one, specific humidity. Specific humidity is the ratio of the water vapor content of the mixture to the total air content on the mass basis. It is expressed in grams of vapor per kilograms of air. Okay. The ratio of the water vapor content of the mixture to the total air content on a mass basis. Okay. Second one, absolute humidity is the mass or weight of water vapor present per unit volume of air. Okay. It is expressed usually in grams per cubic meter of air. Volume means meter, cubic meter already will come. Okay. The mass of or actually. Third one, the relative humidity. Relative humidity is a ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in the air and the maximum amount of water vapor it can hold at a given temperature. Okay, it is expressed as a percentage. It is expressed as a percentage ratio, the ratio between the actual amount of water vapor present in the air and the maximum amount of the rainfall. Okay. Next one. Generally, warm air holds more water vapor than the cool air. When relative humidity reaches 100%, the air gets saturated. In these conditions of the temperature is said to be at a dew point. Further cooling will condense the water vapor into clouds and rainfall. That's the processing we get rainfall. Measuring of humidity. Hygrometer is used to measure the humidity. What is this? Hygrometer is used to measure the humidity. Do you know mountain climbers use bottled oxygen when they ascend very high peaks? Okay, the mountain. With decreasing air pressures, the availability of oxygen also decreases. At very high altitude, atmospheric pressures and available oxygen get low that people can become sick and even die. Okay, and the height increases in oxygen level very low. Okay, next topic, wind. What is wind? Wind is the horizontal movement of air. Wind is the horizontal movement of air is called a wind. Okay, the wind get their name from the directions from which they blow. Example, wind blows from the southwest is called a southwest wind. Southwest wind. Okay, The wind system are broadly categorized into three types. First one, planetary winds. Second one, seasonal winds. Third one, local winds. The planetary winds are the ones which blow almost in the same direction throughout the year. Planetary winds are the ones which blow almost in the same direction throughout the year. So these winds are called the permanent winds or planetary winds. Example, trade winds, westerlies and polar easterlies is called the planetary winds. Okay. Second one, seasonal winds. The seasonal winds are those which change their directions according to season in a year. They are called the monsoon winds. Seasonal winds are those which change their directions according to season in a year. So they are called as seasonal winds, also monsoon winds. Okay. Next one, local winds. Local winds blow over a small area only during a particular time of a day or a shorter period of a year. Example, land and sea breezes. Land breeze and sea breezes. Wind blow sea from to land called as sea breeze. Okay. So this is local winds. Measuring wind speed. Measuring wind speed. The meteorologist used wind speed van or weathercock. Okay, weathercock. Anemometer is used to measure the wind speed. Anemometer is used to wind speed. Do you know who prepared the first climatic atlas of the world? Al-Balaghi. Al-Balaghi, an Arab geographer, collected data from the Arab traveler and prepared the first climatic atlas. Is the Arabians. Okay. Arab geographer Al-Balaghi is the first find out the climatic atlas. Small example for Brazil has a large area where the average wind speed is low. Brazil is the average low speed wind. Thank you, my dear students. Pause the video and note it.